Good morning, dear students. This is Shruti ma'am, Modern English School, New Area, Navada. Today is Monday, so again welcome back to our e-learning classes. Today is Monday, so today Beehive, and today we will start a very interesting story, that is Packing. Writer is Zeram K. Zeram, and the details will be given in the video. And now let's come to the story. Packing, actually it is taken from the extract, that is Three Men in a Boat, the name of the main story. So obviously that the name of your topic is packing, and the main story is that three men in a boat. That means that when do we pack, and who are these three men? These three men are three friends. Author himself is Zeram K. Zeram, Harris and George. So we can easily understand that somewhere they are going. So naturally there is a question to that arrange the things in a inside something, inside bag or whatever. So and packing means that when that we are going to somewhere, and packing is a very naturally this is a skillful job, means nicely you need to pack. And that this story, it has been started by first person narration. That means that the writer, he himself has started this way: I rather pride myself on packing. That means that the author Zeram K. Zeram, he was very much confident about himself. He thought himself that he was a very good packer. So that's why when that was a question, there was such an situation that they have to pack their belongings. Then author told that just leave the entire thing on me. And George and Harris, they were just eagerly they had accepted author's proposal, and Harris just he kept himself into armchair, and George she just cocked his legs on a table. That means what? That when the author told that he would pack, and the two friends, Harris and George, they accepted. But the author did not intend that. His intention was that he will boss the job. That means that he will guide these two persons, Harris and George, that yes, this way. Oh, you, do it this way. He wanted to boss the job. So that's why he told that just leave the entire thing on me. But Harris and George, they just left everything on George. So, on Zeram K. Zeram. Now Zeram K. Zeram, he had to pack everything. So it was really very much irritating, but he himself told them to leave entire thing on them. So he could not say anything. So he started packing, and when it was it took lengthy period, but it was also irritating. But the time he thought that it would take, before that he could finish, and finally he closed the bag and strapped it. Strapped it means just closed, finally closed. That means he has completed the packing. Then aren't you packing the boots in? Harris told. And then Zeram K. Zeram, he just looked around and found that he forgot to put the boots inside. He took the boots and reopened the bag and put the boots inside. And that is Harris. Harris could not say before closing the bag. when he told that aren't you packing the boots, keep the boots in, that means he had observed that boots were there outside. So when the author was closing the bag, that time he could say, before closing, before strapping, he could say, but Harris did not do it. Why Harris did not do it? Actually, he was just having fun. He was just you told us that leave the entire thing on me. So that's why Harry just it was nothing but the intention. You thought that you are the best packer. So you see, and what George started, he started laughing, and means that it was also just irritating Zeram ke Zeram, but he did not utter anything. But the behavior of Harris and George made him wild, means made him mad, means he was very much angry. Now author is telling his own experience, that actually author did not want that he would pack everything, but he did. And what was his nature? Once he just once he was with some person, that person was when Zeram ke Zeram he had to work a lot. That person, he just lolled in on the sofa and watched Zeram ke Zeram to do all the works. That means that suppose there are two persons and somebody is working and somebody is observing. How is this? This is very bad and this is very much irritating. And the author is just telling that once he was staying with some person, that when the author had to work a lot, that person, he was just in the keeping himself in the sofa. He just observed the author to do work, but his nature is not like that. He would just rather like to boss. He would rather like to superintend. He just like to move here and there, walk here and there, keeping his pocket hands inside his pocket, and to supervise the job. Acha, tell me one thing. What is the difference? Somebody is there in the sofa and observing. Somebody is working, and you are working and somebody is just bossing you. Acha. Oh no. You should do it. Not that way. Which person is good or better? Both. And if you ask me, I will dismiss both the person. Both are irritating. If you can help me, if you can cooperate me to do the job, then it is okay. But when you are bossing me, when you are guiding me, or when you are just observing me and having fun, both are very much irritating. So this was the beginning of packing. So what are the points? That they are three friends. Who are the three friends? Harish, Zeram ke Zeram, and that George. They are the three friends. And who started packing? That is Zeram ke Zeram. And who started irritating first? Zeram ke Zeram. That is Harish. And who was laughing? That is George. Okay. So thank you everybody. Tomorrow again we will come to this topic and we will continue and we will see what else were happening. So stay at home, stay safe.